Hi, I'm about to show you how to add preview text to your every action email. So first thing is you'll be setting up an email, and I know you already do that. That's not something that I need to show you how to do. You're going to want to go to source, because what we're going to have to do here is edit the code in the actual email, the HTML of the email itself. So click on source. And then what we need to do is we need to find the body tag. And so to do that, the easiest way is we could scroll down here and just try to find the body tag manually. What I like to do is hit Control or Apple F, Command F, and then do less than body. And that's going to bring me right to the body tag. So your preview text that you're going to use, and I'm going to add this preview text, the copy, the code that you need to use. I'm going to add that to the comments of the video, this particular video, so you'll be able to have it. Now, this is the body tag right here. I'm going to select the entire body tag, and what you want to do is you want to put this preview text directly after it. It should be the next thing that shows up. Now, this code snippet that I'm going to just paste right in there, that code snippet is what you where your preview text is going to show up, and you should be able to see right here, insert hidden pre-header text here. This is where your message will go. So the message that you want to have show up in an email, right, like the preview text for the email, is going to go right there. And yeah, and that's actually it. And then if you go back, you'll to the original, you'll see that there's no difference. Nothing's actually changed, which is the way that we want it. This is only, the preview text is only going to show up. It is only going to show up in the email itself. So in the preview, the preview itself. So that's pretty much it. It's actually that simple. Just adding that code snippet. Like I said, I'm gonna share that in the video comments, so you'll be able to have it available and enjoy. Happy emailing.